Bananas are one of the most consumed fruits in the world, and the journey from plantation to megafactory to your kitchen is more complex and fascinating than many might think. At the heart of this journey are the modern megafactories that process millions of bananas using cutting-edge technology, efficiency protocols, and sustainable agricultural practices. Let's explore this entire process, from harvesting in tropical plantations to the high-speed processing lines that prepare bananas for global distribution, without breaking it down into headings, but rather walking you through the full journey in narrative form. The process of the banana begins in warm, tropical regions, often in countries like Ecuador, the Philippines, Colombia, and Costa Rica. These countries provide the perfect environment for banana plants, with ample rainfall, high humidity, and rich volcanic soil. Banana plants are not trees, despite their appearance. They are large herbaceous plants with thick, succulent stems. Each plant produces a single large bunch of bananas in its lifetime, and this makes the cycle of planting, growing, and harvesting a constant operation on large-scale banana plantations. Skilled workers, often referred to as banana hands, manage the fields carefully. They must tend to the banana plants daily, ensuring they are free from disease and pests. One of the common threats to bananas is the Panama disease, a soil-borne fungus that can wipe out entire plantations. To combat this, plantations implement strict biosecurity protocols, often using genetically resistant varieties and advanced soil monitoring technologies. When bananas are ready to be harvested, usually around 9 to 12 months after planting, the process begins with field workers cutting down the heavy bunches, which can weigh up to 60 pounds, 27 kilograms. These workers use sharp machetes and wear protective gear. It's a physically demanding task, and because the fruit is still green when harvested, timing is critical to ensure the bananas ripen perfectly by the time they reach consumers. Once harvested, the bananas are carried via an ingenious aerial cable system that spans across the plantation. The bunches are hooked onto the cable, which transports them over long distances with minimal bruising or damage. The cable system delivers the bananas to the edge of the plantation where trucks take over. The fruit is loaded into specially designed trucks that keep the bunches cool and safe during transportation to the megafactory. Upon arrival at the processing facility, which can be a high-tech banana megafactory, the bananas undergo multiple phases of cleaning, sorting, and packaging, all guided by automation and human oversight working together seamlessly. Inside the factory, the first step is the washing and dehanding process. Large tanks filled with treated water receive the bunches. Here, workers manually separate the hands of bananas from main stalks, usually into clusters of 4 to 8 bananas. These hands are gently washed to remove latex, dust, and pests. This stage is monitored by quality control cameras that detect any visible defects, ensuring only the best fruits move forward in the process. These cameras use AI and machine learning to classify bananas based on size, curvature, color, and even minor surface blemishes. From the washing area, the bananas move along conveyor belts where another high-tech operation takes place: automated sorting. The factory employs infrared scanners and hyperspectral imaging systems to check for internal defects like bruising or early-stage rot that the human eye cannot detect. Defective bananas are automatically diverted for processing into banana puree, flour, or used as livestock feed. This level of detailed inspection ensures a near-zero waste policy in modern banana factories. The remaining perfect bananas continue along the belt to be labeled and packaged. In this stage, robots or automated arms carefully apply stickers to each banana, often with branding or quality labels. After this, the bananas are packed into cartons or boxes, typically holding about 40 pounds, 18 kilograms, of fruit each. These boxes are assembled by robotic packing systems and then sealed, labeled, and sent down a logistics conveyor system that sorts them by destination. Temperature control is critical in this phase. Bananas are still green when shipped to maintain freshness during their long journey. The mega factory includes massive cold storage chambers known as pre-cooling rooms, where the fruit is kept at a consistent temperature of about 13 to 14 degrees Celsius, 55 to 57 degrees Fahrenheit. This prevents premature ripening. Within these cold chambers, ethylene gas levels are carefully monitored and minimized, as ethylene triggers the ripening process. Once packed and cooled, the bananas are loaded into refrigerated containers, also known as reefers, which are capable of maintaining precise temperatures and humidity levels throughout the journey. These containers are often transported by truck to seaports where they are loaded onto cargo ships. Some megafactories are located near shipping ports to minimize transport time. At sea, the fruit can travel thousands of miles, sometimes taking up to 3 weeks to reach its final market in the US, Europe, or Asia. In the destination country, the bananas arrive still green. At ripening centers, often affiliated with the original megafactory or run by distribution companies, the bananas are unloaded and placed in ripening rooms. These sealed rooms are flooded with ethylene gas in controlled amounts to simulate the natural ripening process. Within 4 to 6 days, the bananas turn the familiar bright yellow and are ready to hit supermarket shelves. Throughout this entire process, traceability is a key factor. From the farm to the shelf, each banana bunch carries data like plantation origin, harvesting date, and even the workers who pick them. RFID tags and barcodes are used to track this data, allowing for real-time monitoring and quick recalls if needed. Consumers can even scan QR codes on banana labels to see where their fruit came from, adding transparency to the food supply chain. Sustainability is also a growing concern, and many banana megafactories are adapting to meet global standards. Water used for washing is filtered and reused. Energy-efficient machinery and solar-powered equipment help lower the carbon footprint. Additionally, factories are investing in biodegradable packaging alternatives and ensuring that even banana peels and other waste are turned into compost or animal feed, creating a circular economy within the factory ecosystem. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed seeing how millions of bananas are processed with cutting-edge technology, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing factory tours. From harvest to packaging, it's amazing how modern machines handle it all. Got a factory or process you'd love to see next? Drop your suggestions in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the world of modern industry with us.